Hello, my friends. We're just all buddies here. I know it. We are just going to have so much fun today because, well, you already know what we're doing. You see, the Butterworth twins, um, very cool fellows, I assume. They said, uh, well, they did a lot of requests, but eventually they did clicker game. And because the clicker game is the most basic, easy thing to do on Scratch, I will do it. So you gotta start off with the idea in mind, okay? Obviously, we're gonna do the toes clicker game. So first, you make the thing that you will be clicking, which obviously is toes. You're going to say when this is clicked forever, and you're gonna ask if it is touching the mouse pointer and mouse down, then it will signal click. So make a variable called click. We're going to set click to 0, and then if mouse down, then it's going to set click to 1. So let's demonstrate. Oh, whoa. Set click to 1, you know. But that's not actually what we want. We want to change click by 1. Like right now, it just keeps going up once you touch it because, well, it thinks that if the mouse is down and you're touching it, then it should just keep going up endlessly. That's where this amazing script comes in. We wait until all of this does not happen. So now if you listen, you can click over and over again and it will just keep going up however many that is. So now we got that part done with. But, you know, doing that is just kind of boring, you know, not doesn't really excite me at all, which obviously it should. So, you know, we're just going to duplicate this. We're gonna change size by -10. Now it gets small. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to do this script again, and also set the size to. Set the size to 100. So look, now it just gets smaller every time you click. So, you know, it just goes away, which we don't want. So we're gonna wait until that happens, and then change size by 10 after that happens. So see, you know what? I actually kind of want to change it to size 110, so it's a little bit larger. You know, just so it will fit. So now, as you can see, you can click it, and then you can see that you're clicking it because it goes smaller and larger, you know, the huge. So now we have that done, and we have, you know, click, you know, everything is done on just the foot itself. But, you know, clicking games are not fun unless you're able to do stuff with the amount of clicks that you have, which is where our shop is going to come into play. So, make a new sprite. Okay, this is obviously going to be called foot. And then this is going to be the shop. Alright. So now you have options that you are able to choose from, which is great. All right, and these are going to be the only options that we have because 1 2 3 4 5 6 options I think is plenty. Or actually, you know what, let's just give it a little bit of a read, just a little bit larger. So now we have this chocolate bar looking shop, and it has just so many options to choose from. It is just absolutely amazing, you know. We just love this shop, and we're gonna go to 0, of course. And now these are all the options you could need. So obviously we don't want this to just be like this because that's weird. So we want to change the Y. We want to change the Y so that it will like slide up and go down at the click of a button. So change x by negative, oh, I don't even know, 10. All right, and then we're going to change x by negative 15. Or I guess we could just go up by multiplied by 2 because that would make sense. It's negative 5, negative 10, 20, 40. Oh, yeah, but we will have to put a wait 0.01 second in between, you know, just in between the things. Okay, why is it not saving? Alright, so now, as you can see, once it goes up to where it's supposed to be, you know, then it goes whoop, oh whoop. It's not quite all the way gone yet. So then, you know, just continue this until it's all the way done. Alright, so now, as you can see, it closes at maximum speed. What's the x looking like right about now? Negative. So what happens if we just take away the negatives? Now we'll go up. Oh wait, it's going from 0 to 0. So yeah, obviously it's got to close. Oh snap. It's just launching up. So yeah, obviously you should change this to be able to, you know, fit. So maybe another 100. Okay, so just maybe a little less. So just play with this until it works. So now you can see that it goes down smoothly and comes up smoothly, you know. So I'm personally going to put a little bit of a thing right there. And then we're going to make it that if you click that, then this will happen. And if you want to leave shop, oh shoot, we need to make a little bit of changes. Okay, so now we have this, and I guess we can, now all we have to do is code it so that when you touch that, it works. So listen, we are going to make another variable that's going to be called shop. We are going to set shop to 1, or set shop to whether it's open or closed. So right now it is closed, which means that it's going to set shop to 0 once it's closed. But so that means, yeah. And then once it opens, it's going to set shop to 1. So then it's going to open, shop is open, and it's going to go boom, closed. Open, closed. Open, closed. So we have that. Great, you know, great works. We're going to do a little bit of like actual coding now. So we're going to say when this is clicked forever, if shop equals 0, which means that it's closed. So now we have to do if touching mouse pointer and mouse down and shop equals 0, then it will do something, which will be this. Boom. So now if you see, we touch it, oh, it opens, you know. All right, so now we have designed the close shop button, which will be when the shop is opened. All right, okay, so then obviously we know that, you know, if we want to track the, you know, look, see, we have buttons here that are the mouse X and the mouse Y. We are going to say if mouse Y, I don't actually know what this is, but if mouse Y, all right, so do when this is clicked forever, and then if mouse Y is greater than, how much is this? 60? Actually, I don't even know. So if mouse Y is greater than, like, I don't know, probably 200, then, and we do all of this 2 plus another and, alright, but shop equals 1 instead. So now if we do this, alright, then it will signal this. So now let's see. So what is happening? Also, tell it to go to 0, 0. Alright, when it starts. Now, of course, we have, so when this is clicked, actually, we are going to set it to whatever this number is. And now it will open and it will close. You might have to adjust this just a little bit, you know, to make sure that it works fine. So as you can see, it opens and then it closes. And you know, it opens and then it closes. You will have to adjust this. So as you can see, it opens and it closes perfectly fine. It is just great, jolly good time. So that's how you do the clicking system and the shop opening and closing. That's all we're gonna do in this video. We will follow up and, you know, in a part 2 or a part 3 and stuff, and we will do that. Alright. So thanks for watching this video. If I sound a little bit tired, that's because I am. So yeah, but we will see you later. Bye.